Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can convert your AI generated graphics into editable multi-layer. So most times people use AI to generate graphics, you understand? And again, when you look at those graphics, they kind of look flat. So maybe you might want to do, one or two additional editing to the graphics, thereby, improving the overall feel of the graphics. We want to edit text in the generated graphics. This particular tool will enable you to do that, and this tool can be accessed through Canva. So before we go deeply into the tutorial, I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to those who have subscribed to my channel, and for those who have not subscribed, please do subscribe, because when you subscribe you kind of encourage me to create more videos like this. With that being said, let's go back to the tutorial. So in this particular tutorial we're going to be using a ChatGPT, though you can use other AI tools like Gemini or Nano Banana or any other image generating AI platform. But this particular tutorial we're going to be using ChatGPT. So what do we do? So the first thing we need to do is to come to ChatGPT, which is already open on my system. Then I will come here, click on add photo and file. Then in my system, I'm going to select the images that I want to use for the design, then upload. I'm going to paste the prompt. So in the front you can see it says, I want you to create a bold and professional church flyer for a Sunday service. I will upload my portrait photo to be included in the flyer. Please do not edit, retouch, or change the face or facial expression in any way. Do not apply filter or alterations to the image. You may remove the background and blend or fade the original photo into the flyer design background for visual harmony. This is the prompt. Okay, so after pasting the prompt, the next thing you will do is to click send. Okay, so right now what is happening is that the AI is analyzing the prompts. Then after analyzing, the AI is trying to create the design that it's been asked to do. Okay, so as you can see, the ChatGPT has finished creating the flyer, which is the church flyer, and as you can see, it's not bad at all. Although, yeah, some people can use it like this, you understand, but like I said, after the generation, after the AI has generated the flyer, you might want to change one or two things, or there might be one or two things that you don't like, and you want to change it. So what you can do right now after the generation is to download the flyer into our system. So then the next thing that we need to go to Canva. Okay, so we are in the Canva environment. So what we need to do next is to click on upload. And click on upload file. So we're going to upload the flyer we just generated. Then the next thing is to click edit image. Then as you can see, say your photo is still uploading. All features will become available once completed. So now the flyer has been uploaded completely. So what I will do is to click create design. Okay, so as you can see now, after clicking create design, it brought us to this new window. So here now is where we're going to edit the flyer. But first of all, before we proceed in anything at all. Let me name the flyer. So I'll just use a Sunday service. So I click the flyer again, then I will come here, click edit, then come to this place that says magic layer. I'm going to click it. So now the AI we analyze the flyer and create, you know, a multi-layer whereby you can be able to, you know, edit the text, edit anything within the design at all. So now the AI has converted the flyer, and as you can see, we can edit every element within the design. You can see. So this now you can change the text, you can delete. If anyone you don't like, you can remove. So like this now I can delete this logo. Delete this logo and add the original logo. So I'm just going to scale it down. So again, I can also change the background if I want. If I don't like this background, I can change it. So let's just try a different background color. Let's see. Let's try something deeper. Let's choose something close, something background close to a little bit close to their color. So okay, I think this is a bit better. Okay, so as you can see, we're able to at least remove the old logo that was there. We've changed the background. So you can, anything you don't like within the, like here now the text is overlapping this image. You can zoom in, select all the text, shift this text a bit so at least to be visible, so it can be visible a bit. Like I said, you can also change the background if you don't want. If this background is not really what you want, you can change it. The text here, you can change it. All this, you can change this. So it's possible to now edit everything. Understand? So I just leave this. I just leave this with this. So now, once I'm satisfied with everything, I'm satisfied with the editing and everything, then I can click export and click download to download the let's see how it look. Let's compare it with the old one. Okay, so this is what we're going to do now. So we're going to compare both the old and the new. That's the one that the ChatGPT generated and the one that we imported into Canva to edit. So let's compare the overall visual feel of both this thing. Although I didn't really change much in the design, but yeah, but at least there should be like a difference in terms of appearance of the both design. So this, what you're looking at right now, is the old design, and this the one that we converted. So I don't know, you guys think that there's any difference at all? So if there's a difference, please share your thoughts in the comment section. So you can just tell us what you feel the difference is. So just comment below. Okay, so that is it, guys. So this is how you can convert your AI generated graphics into editable layers as a graphic designer. so you can improve upon the design, you understand? So instead of just sending the AI generated graphics to your clients, you could just use this process to at least improve it and so make it feel more more realistic. So this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to this YouTube channel, and because when you subscribe, it kind of encourage me to do more videos like this. And till when I upload a new video, I say bye bye.